In news just coming in, there are grounds to charge policemen with murder for the deaths in Tamil Nadu of a man and his son who were arrested for keeping their shop open beyond curfew during the coronavirus lockdown. That's what the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court has said. Sam Daniel joining us with the latest on that. Sam, what are we hearing?
Well, today the three police personnel, Ankita, who have been charged of criminal contempt for not cooperating with the magistrate who the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court had directed to probe, appeared before the bench, and in that the judges have said, prima facie, going by the post-mortem report given by the doctors, there are grounds for filing murder charges against Sathankulam police who have allegedly attacked both Jayaraj and his son brutally. They were put in jail. 3 days later, both died. And the court, although the government has handed over the case to the CBI, the court has asked the government whether the Tirunelveli DIG could take up the investigation till the CBI takes over, because the court felt no time ought to be wasted. And the Tamil Nadu government has been given time till 12 o'clock now to give a response. So we expect the government's response any time now. And the allegations is that the police who arrested Jayaraj and his son Benix on 19th of June for allegedly keeping their shop open beyond the lockdown permitted hours, they were taken to the police station overnight. They were brutally attacked and they sustained, according to the family, injuries on the rectum. Their chest hair were pulled and other forms of violence they allege. They were taken to the jail 70 kilometers away, and 2 days later the son first complained of chest pain. He died in the hospital, and the father next day complained of severe fever. He too died in the hospital. Now activists, family and the trading community, they allege they died only because of the police torture, as they call, at the police station. CCTV images have come out yesterday, which also, the limited footage available, do not show any signs of argument or any signs of the men rolling over, as the FIR claims. And today the court had summoned these three police personnel who had not cooperated, who had also passed, one of them had passed disparaging remarks against that magistrate who the court had directed to inquire. And now the police have completely transferred the government has transferred all the police personnel attached to the Sathankulam police station, new inspector, 2 new SIs, and this morning they have also put on wait the ADSP and the DSP who are facing contempt charges, and have suspended yet another constable who also appeared before the court. So certainly an embarrassing situation for the government. Although many have been demanding filing of murder charges, the government evaded. The Chief Minister has been silent on that. He has been completely silent. He has been only referring to death in hospital. And now the court has caught on that point on the basis of the post-mortem report filed by doctors. Now we have to see what the government will have to say in a short while from now.
Right. Yes, indeed. The focus, of course, shifting to the Tamil Nadu government there. But describe to us exactly, as far as the cops are concerned, the 2 police officers, they haven't even been formally suspended yet, have they, Sam?
Not at all. In fact, the government has suspended only 2 SIs, 2 constables, and 1 more inspector has been put on wait. That's what many are pointing fingers at, Ankita, that the government has been extremely reluctant to act against senior police officers who are facing charges of police brutality, because the family and the traders there completely point fingers at the inspector, for instance, under whose orders they were attacked, they say, but the government has not done that. He has been put on wait. Now, of course, a new inspector has been appointed, new set of sub-inspectors and around 17 constables and head constables have been appointed, but no action so far, except the action in terms of making them wait. No severe or serious action has been taken at the moment.